I'm Artemis Giavasoglou, and I'm the project manager of Sparks for the Municipality of Kifissia. I'm an architect and urban planner by profession, and in the last decade, I've been working in energy sustainability sector. Kifissia, it's a proud member of Sparks, that's an Horizon 2020 programs, and as the name stands for, aims to create a network of sustainable, positive energy, zero carbon communities. Our initial analysis of the current status of the cities and the status quo showed that buildings, private owned mostly, are one of the two areas most energy consuming and CO2 emitting. Because the majority of the buildings here are built in the decade of 80s and 90s, and this was before the regulation for energy efficient buildings that began in 2010 in Greece, but have bad insulations, U value of the glasses are very high, and they're used for heating gas or petroleum, so not energy efficient ways. The idea is to form an energy community with citizens and the participation of the municipality. Citizens will be open, the community will be open for whoever wants to join, the percentage who prefer to join, and a photovoltaic park will be created, and the members of the municipality, with the municipality and the community, gain from the energy produced via virtual net metering. The challenges are not only technological or financial issues. In my opinion, the most challenging task that we need to address is the approval engagement of the citizens. That's why we're going to have also an engagement strategy. We're planning to start in a couple of months to see how we can approach citizens, convince them, and to be involved within the energy community, or even to change their ways of doing things and change their mindset.